So one of the ways we save is by saving all our change in these jars. What a nice little way to save up some extra money. The last time we rolled coins, we rolled about $1,400, and that helped us buy the little trailer we live in off grid up on the homestead. And this time, this is gonna go to help us build our new house up there. We got this coin sorter. Sort loose, change fast. This was on Amazon. It does quarters, nickels, pennies, and dimes. And we'll show you how it works and let you know if it works good. Whatever it is, it's got to be better than paying 11% at Coinstar, because that is just absolutely ridiculous. I mean, the whole point of saving our change is to save money, not pay 11% to Coinstar. Why we're not taking it with us when we move. Wow. Drop it in. You can see the dimes mixing in with the pennies. That's the biggest problem that we've had to deal with. And sometimes you have to back off when it, like just now it's stuck a little bit, so you have to back off. But if you take a peek, and you look through, here's a dime in the pennies. Here's a dime, 30, 40, 50, 60 cents so far mixed in with the pennies. So you have to be really, really careful. And don't put more than a small handful of coins in at a time. Now the quarters count high, so this, you have to make sure you take out a quarter from the top. Otherwise, it's more than the $10 it's supposed to be. It'll count 41 quarters if you're not careful. The directions do say to put these rolls in here to make it easier, but I've chosen not to do that to make sure that we get the right amount in there. And again, if I was putting the pennies into rolls, half my dimes would be in the penny rolls. So that's why I don't want to do that. I like to be able to see it and check it. So far, I think it's doing a really good job. We're almost done with the one coin jar, and then we have a second container upstairs. Our first change jar yielded. It actually had a little bit more than this in it. Came up to about here instead. But we're going to use the coin machine and see what we get out of this one. We have a jam. And I mean, this is a big time jam that we can't get out. So we've now had to open the machine, because whatever you want to do, you don't want to force the handle. Richie's Mr. Fix-It. He can fix anything, usually.
All right, so now I take the handle off, maybe.
Yep. Oh, there's a dime stuck. I see it. Look at that.
It's in there good.
It is in there good. Yay! Richie got it!
Now we lost the dime.
I found it. There it is.
Okay.
Mr. Fix-It fixed it. I think it's inevitable. I mean, we're really putting a lot of money through. And it's that simple. And I can actually roll a lot of change in a very short amount of time. So the total from the second water jug is $1,011. The other jug was $1,506 for a total of $2,517. That's a nice little bonus.
I just wanted to give you my 2 cents.
Thanks, honey.